Hello friends, good afternoon. So today we are going to discuss about how we can run our Selenium scripts in a Firefox browser. So something related to the Firefox is that earlier, before like a Selenium 3, we used to run our Selenium scripts directly on a Firefox browser without needing any web driver. Like in my earlier videos, I told you about like Internet Explorer driver, the Chrome driver. So these things needed when we have to run our Selenium script either on Chrome browser or on Internet Explorer driver. But before Selenium 3, Firefox was not needed any browser, any web driver to run the scripts. We can directly execute like a creating uh, driver. We can directly execute our test cases. But after Selenium 3, we need a Gecko driver. So in my earlier videos, I've already told you from where you can download, how you can uh, extract files, and then how you can use it. Okay. So in this video, we are going to learn or we are going to discuss how we can execute our Selenium scripts on a Firefox driver with Gecko driver because we are using a version of Selenium 3 or more with a more version. Okay, so let's start with that. So again, we'll take a same test case which we already discussed for Chrome browser and IE browser. So we'll see open Google log message, and after waiting for 4 seconds it should get closed. So what are the test steps? It's like a set up Firefox driver uh, path, then open Firefox web browser, then navigate to google.com, then log the message, then wait for 4 seconds and close the Firefox web browser. Okay, so before running this or before writing, now first let's go ahead and start writing the program. Okay, but before that I would like to tell you that there are some prerequisite, and you have to watch my earlier videos to know about you have to first uh, install some Selenium drivers and jars, and then you have to add those into the build path, and then you will get all those Selenium libraries to work with. Okay, so I guess if you go through my earlier videos you will get to know all those things. Okay, so let's start with creating another class to run our Selenium scripts on a Firefox web Firefox browser. Okay, so let's name it Selenium script on Firefox browser. Okay, and I'll again choose public static void main and then finish. Okay, so method gets already created for us, and now let's do the same thing that set the path. So set again we'll use system dot and then set property. Okay, and then we have to set the property for now for the Gecko driver and then the value for it. Okay, and then so let's do the same thing. Web driver dot, here you have to mention Gecko. Okay, and for Chrome you will mention Chrome, and for IE you will mention IE, and then it is type of the driver. Okay, and then here you are going to include the path where this Gecko driver has been placed on our machine. Okay, so the location of that driver. So you already know about the Gecko driver that we have download. Once we download, it goes to the download folder, then you have to extract it and then after extracting you will get the folder, and within that you will have this gecko driver, and you have to mention .exe at the end. Okay, so let's put this path and then double slash gecko driver .exe. Okay, so that's the first step, and then next step is open browser, and that you can do with web driver equal to new, here Firefox driver. Okay, then again you know that, okay, if you have a compilation errors, what you have to do, move your cursor and then import. Okay, so that's done. Then what you need to do, you need to uh, after this you need to navigate. Okay, navigate Google driver.get. Okay, driver.get, and then google.com. Okay, and then wait for 4 seconds. Okay, and that you can do by using thread.sleep.
What bubble?
And we can put the 4 seconds as a delay, and then we can close the browser. Okay, and that's you can do with the driver.quit. Okay, and here if you get the error, you can just add the throws declaration. Okay, now we are done with our test case. Now we need to run it. Okay, so to run it, you need to, what you need to do, you need to right click and do run as, and then Java application. It's asking for saving, so we'll just save it. Okay, and it will run. Okay, see here, it's opened the Firefox driver, it opened the Google page, and it closed the Firefox driver. Okay, so this is about like running your test scripts, Selenium test scripts on the Firefox browser. So if you have any question, just put on the comment section. Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.